everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aishwarya and in today's video I'm going to share a makeup look. But over here there is a twist. We are going to create this look by using different makeup and beauty hacks. So let's see whether these different hacks are working or they're total fail, and also we have to see how this look turns out. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So as you can see, I don't have any makeup on my face. Sorry, I'm kidding. I have just done a little skincare and a little of base. So let's move on to the first hack and let's see what's the first hack. Okay, in this we have to add a foundation into water, and they say this makes the foundation transfer proof. So let's see whether this is a pass or a fail. This hack, I got a glass of water. Now I'm going to mix my foundation in this water and I'm going to mix it, and let's see how this turns out. Here we have a water and here is my foundation. I don't know, I'm not liking to waste my foundation like this. Now I'm going to stir this foundation a little bit inside the water. Okay, so here you can see foundation, and let's apply. Let me use the mirror. I have to blend this. Okay, so it don't feel that bad on my skin. Actually, it's kind of giving a little cooling effect on my skin when I'm blending this, and I think so it's making foundation more lighter. Sorry, not lighter, more easier to blend on my skin. Blending, it's not looking that bad. It actually looks good, and it has blend really quickly into my skin. But now let's test whether this hack is transfer proof or not, because this is what it claims. I have a tissue. It is not transfer proof. I mean, can you see? The foundation is on my tissue paper. Okay, let's try the other side. I'll just press lightly on the other side. Okay, after pressing lightly, I think it is transfer proof, but on this side I have not pressed lightly. I have done like that, so I guess that's why the foundation came on this side of tissue, and when you press lightly you will see this hack is transfer proof. So I don't know what to say. I am confused. If you want to try, you can try this, but it's total waste of time and your products. Rather than that, you can purchase a full coverage foundation or a waterproof foundation rather than doing such kind of hacks. Moving on to our next hack, that is the blush hack, in which we have to use a red lipstick and the most creamiest concealer, and then we have to blend it together. Okay, let's see whether this works or not. So I got my red lipstick and concealer, so let's try this out. Okay. Oh, it is pink. I'm sorry, it's a pink lipstick, not a red lipstick. I think so. I've used a lot of lipstick on my face, that's why it's becoming so pigmented and pink. But definitely this hack works. This side looks good. Over here I think so I have applied a lot of lipstick, that's why it's becoming like more pigmented. So I'm going to apply a little more concealer and try to fix it. Yeah, I think now it's looking better. So definitely this hack works, so you can try it out. Now moving on to our next hack is the eyeshadow hack. So in this, what we have to do, let's see. Okay, we have to take first darker shade, then lighter, and shimmer shade. Okay, let's do it. So first I'm going to apply this dark shade. I'm trying to apply like how she was applying. Okay, now the lighter shade. Now shimmer shade. Sorry, it was this one. So I should use this. Okay. Now the other shimmer shade. Okay, I'll just apply this inside also. Now we have to blend this with a fluffy blending brush. Okay, after blending, I think so I have not done this correctly. Okay, I'll blend it a little more. Okay, after blending, this is how it looks like. The darker shade has entirely disappeared. So I'll just apply it again. Like this. I don't think so this hack worked for me because I was not able to do it. Was I doing it wrong, or I don't know, was it my fault? But it's really difficult if you are a newbie to makeup. This hack definitely won't work for a newbie because even I was not able to do it. So this hack is total fail. If you want to give it a try it and tell me how did it work for you. So the last hack for the day, we are going to try lipstick hack. In this hack, let's see what is it. Use concealer over lipstick to make your lipstick a nude one, a dark shade, a darker lipstick, a nude lipstick. So let's try and check it out whether this works or not. So in the video which I have seen, she used a dark brown lipstick, but we are going to try with another shade. So I'm using this wine shade of shade lipstick, and let's see whether this hack work on any lipstick shade or only brown ones. Now I'm going to use a concealer over the lipstick. I'm not going to apply the entire concealer. I'm just going to apply a little dots because I'm unsure about this one. That's why. Now blending. I think so we're getting a pink nude lips shade. Okay, it's looking nice actually. This hack works. So this hack works on any lip shade. You can try this hack, definitely try this one. I think this one was my favorite. So this is the look I was able to create using different hacks. Okay, so guys, rate this look out of 10 in comment section below, and if you have enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.